In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. We're going to move smoothly from Squarespace's main website into their Help Center, then find the exact article you need about changing site ownership. Follow along and pause if you want to mirror each click on your screen. Start by heading to the Create Your Website page on Squarespace. Open your preferred browser and go to Squarespace's official site. You'll land on a clean, modern page that introduces website building. Visuals may change from time to time, but the core navigation stays familiar. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official Squarespace domain. This ensures you're accessing the most accurate tools and documentation. Next, look for the Resources option in the site's navigation. It's typically at the top of the page, but on smaller screens, it may be tucked into a menu icon. Click Resources. This section acts like a hub for learning and support. You'll find links to guides, tutorials, and the Help Center. Think of it as your shortcut to trusted, up-to-date information curated by Squarespace. From the Resources area, click Help Center. This brings you to support.squarespace.com, which is the official knowledge base. You're now in the best place to get authoritative answers. The layout is straightforward. A prominent search bar, featured topics, and links to common questions. If you see a language selector, make sure you're viewing content in your preferred language, so search results match what you type. Now in the Help Center search bar, type Changing Site Ownership. Use that exact phrase. As you type, you may see suggested results appear beneath the bar. This helps you jump straight to the right article. If suggestions don't appear immediately, press Enter to view the full results list. Accurate spelling and phrasing will surface the most relevant guide faster. Finally, click the article titled Changing Site Ownership. This page explains how ownership transfers work on Squarespace, what permissions are required, and how roles affect access. Read through the prerequisites first so you understand who can initiate changes, how billing is handled, and any verification steps that may be needed. The article often includes notes about site version and domain setup, which can influence the process. Use the headings to navigate quickly, and consider bookmarking the page for reference. If anything seems unclear, look for related links within the article that define roles and permissions, or outline billing considerations, so you have the full context before making changes. That's the complete path. Go to Squarespace, open Resources, enter the Help Center, search for Changing Site Ownership, and open the official guide. With this approach, you'll always land on the most current instructions straight from Squarespace.